Welcome to our deep dive into the most important candlestick pattern in trading. Candlestick charts have been used for centuries, originating from Japanese rice trader, and today they remain a cornerstone of technical analysis. In this video, we'll explore why candlestick patterns are so crucial for traders, how they reveal market sentiment, and what makes one pattern stand out above the rest. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your strategy, understanding candlesticks is essential. We dive into a specific pattern. It's important to understand the basic structure of a candlestick. Each candlestick represents price movement within a specific time frame. The body shows the opening and closing prices, while the wicks or shadow indicate the highest and lowest prices reached. The color of the candle tells us whether the price moved up or down. This simple visual representation packs a lot of information, making it easier for traders to spot trends and reversals at a glance. Candlestick patterns are more than just shapes on a chart. They reflect the psychology of buyers and sellers. Patterns can signal potential reversal, continuation, or indecision in the market. Recognizing these patterns allows traders to anticipate price movements and make informed decisions. The most important candlestick pattern stands out because of its reliability and the strong signal it provides. But before we reveal which pattern that is, let's look at why traders trust candlestick patterns. Every candlestick tells a story about market sentiment. A long green candle shows strong buying pressure, while a long red candle indicates heavy selling. Small bodies suggest indecision, and the length of the wicks can reveal volatility. By reading these clues, traders can gauge the mood of the market and adjust their strategies accordingly. Understanding sentiment is key to interpreting candlestick patterns effectively, and it's the foundation for recognizing the most important pattern. Pin bar is widely considered the most important candlestick pattern in trading. It's a single candle with a small body and a long wick, signaling a sharp rejection of price in one direction. The pin bar is powerful because it often marks major turning points in the market. When you spot a pin bar at a key support or resistance level, it can be a strong indication that the trend is about to reverse. Let's take a closer look at what makes the pin bar so significant. Pin bar has a very small body, located at one end of the candle, and a long wick or shadow extending from the other end. The long wick shows that price was pushed strongly in one direction, but then rejected, closing near the open. This rejection is what makes the pin bar so valuable for traders. It's a clear sign that the market tried to move but failed, often leading to a reversal. The direction of the wick tells you whether buyers or sellers were rejected. Bullish pin bar forms when the long wick is below the body, showing that sellers pushed the price down but buyers stepped in and drove back up. This pattern often appears at the bottom of a downtrend and signals a potential reversal to the upside. Traders look for bullish pin bar at support level, as they suggest that the market is rejecting lower prices and may be ready to move higher. Recognizing this setup can help you catch trend reversals early. Conversely, a bearish pin bar has a long wick above the body, indicating that buyers tried to push the price higher, but sellers took control and forced it back down. This pattern is typically found at the top of an uptrend and signals a possible reversal to the downside. Spotting bearish pin bars at resistance level can alert you to upcoming drops in price, giving you a chance to exit long position or consider short trade. Let's look at a real-world example of a pin bar in action. Imagine a stock in a downtrend that suddenly forms a bullish pin bar at a major support level. The long lower wick shows that sellers tried to push the price low, but buyers stepped in with strength. After the pin bar formed, the price reverses and starts moving upward. This is a classic scenario where the pin bar signals a change in market direction, providing a valuable trading opportunity. The effectiveness of the pin bar pattern increases when it appears at key support or resistance level. These are areas where price has previously reversed or stalled, making them significant for traders. By combining pin bars with these levels, you can filter out false signals and focus on high probability setups. Learning to identify these zones on your charts is a crucial skill for maximizing the power of candlestick pattern. Volume plays a key role in confirming the validity of a pin bar pattern. When a pin bar forms with higher than average volume, it suggests that the rejection was backed by strong market participation. This increases the reliability of the signal and can give you more confidence in your trades. Always check the volume alongside the candlestick pattern to ensure you're acting on solid information. While there are many candlestick patterns, the pin bar stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. Patterns like the engulfing candle or doji also provide valuable signal, but the pin bar's clear rejection and reversal potential make it a favorite among traders. Understanding the differences between these patterns can help you choose the right one for your trading style and market condition. Many traders make the mistake of trading every pin bar they see, regardless of context. It's important to remember that not all pin bars are created equal. The best signals come from pin bars that form at key levels with strong volume and in the direction of the prevailing trend. Avoid chasing patterns in random locations and always consider the bigger picture before entering a trade. In an uptrend, a bullish pin bar can signal a continuation of the trend after a brief pullback. When you see a pin bar with a long lower wick during an uptrend, it often means buyers are stepping in to support the price. This can be a great opportunity to enter the market with the trend, using the pin bar as your entry signal. Similarly, in a downtrend, a bearish pin bar with a long upper wick can indicate that sellers are still in control, and the trend is likely to continue. Spotting these pin bars after a minor rally can help you time your entries for short trades, riding the trend for maximum profit. Analyzing pin bars across multiple time frames can provide additional confirmation for your trades. For example, a pin bar on the daily chart that aligns with a pin bar on the hourly chart strengthens the signal. This multi-time frame approach helps filter out noise and increases your chances of success. No trading strategy is complete without proper risk management. When trading pin bars, it's important to set stop losses just beyond the wick to protect yourself from false signal. Always calculate your position size based on your risk tolerance and never risk more than you can afford to lose. This disciplined approach will help you stay in the game for the long run. Well-defined entry and exit strategy is essential when trading pin bars. Many traders enter a trade as soon as the next candle confirms the pin bar's direction. Exits can be planned at the next support or resistance level, or by using a trailing stop to lock in profits as the trade moves in your favor. Having a clear plan helps remove emotion from your trading decision. Before risking real money, it's wise to backtest the pin bar strategy on historical data. This allows you to see how the pattern performs in different market conditions and refine your approach. Backtesting builds confidence and helps you understand the strengths and limitations of the pin bar pattern. Pin bar pattern is especially popular in the forex market, where price action plays a major role. Currency pairs often respect support and resistance level, making pin bars a reliable signal for forex traders. Whether you're trading majors or minors, keep an eye out for pin bars to spot potential reversals and continuation. Stock traders also benefit from the pin bar pattern. Whether you're trading blue chips or penny stocks, pin bars can highlight key turning points. By combining pin bars with volume and other technical indicators, you can improve your stock trading results and catch major moves early. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, making candlestick patterns like the pin bar even more valuable. In crypto trading, pin bars can help you navigate wild price swings and identify high-probability entry and exit points. Always combine pin bars with other analysis tools to manage risk in these fast-moving markets. Commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural products also respond well to pin bar signal. These markets often experience sharp reversal, and pin bars can alert you to changes in supply and demand dynamics. By watching for pin bars at major support and resistance level, commodity traders can improve their timing and profitability. Even greater accuracy, many traders combine pin bar signals with technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD. These tools can confirm the strength of a pin bar and help you avoid false signal. By using a multi-layered approach, you can increase your confidence and improve your trading results. Pin bars are a key component of price action trading, which focuses on reading the raw movement of price without relying heavily on indicators. By mastering pin bars and other price action signals, you can develop a deeper understanding of market behavior and make more informed trading decisions. Psychology behind the pin bar pattern is fascinating. It represents a battle between buyers and sellers, with one side ultimately overpowering the other. The long wick shows where the losing side tried to push the price, but the market rejected that move. Understanding this psychological tug-of-war can help you interpret pin bars more effectively and anticipate future price movement. Major news events can trigger pin bar formations as markets react to unexpected information. For example, an earnings report or economic announcement might cause a sharp move followed by a quick reversal, resulting in a pin bar. Being aware of the news calendar can help you anticipate when pin bars are more likely to appear and trade them with greater confidence. Not every pin bar leads to a reversal. Sometimes, what looks like a pin bar is actually a false signal, especially in choppy or low-volume markets. To avoid being trapped, always look for confirmation from other indicators or price action before entering a trade. Patience and discipline are key to filtering out these false signals. Trend lines are another powerful tool to use alongside pin bars. When a pin bar forms at a trend line, it can signal a potential reversal or continuation of the trend. Drawing accurate trend lines and watching for pin bars at these levels can help you spot high-probability trades and manage your risk more effectively. Fibonacci retracement levels are popular among traders for identifying potential reversal points. When a pin bar forms at a key Fibonacci level, it adds extra weight to the signal. Combining these tools can help you pinpoint entry and exit points with greater precision. Moving averages help smooth out price data and highlight the underlying trend. When a pin bar forms near a moving average, it can signal a bounce or reversal. This combination is especially useful in trending markets, where moving averages act as dynamic support or resistance. Relative Strength Index (RSI) measures momentum and overbought or oversold condition. When a pin bar forms while the RSI is in an extreme zone, it can signal a strong reversal. This combination helps you identify turning points with greater accuracy and avoid entering trades against the prevailing momentum. Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator is another powerful tool for confirming pin bar signals. When a pin bar forms and the MACD shows a bullish or bearish crossover, it adds confidence to your trade. Using MACD alongside pin bars can help you time your entries and exits more effectively. Support and resistance levels are fundamental to technical analysis. When a pin bar forms at these levels, it's often a sign that the market is about to reverse. By focusing on pin bars at major support or resistance, you can increase your win rate and avoid low-quality setup. Pin bars often appear within larger chart patterns like double tops, double bottoms, or triangles. When a pin bar confirms the breakout or reversal from these patterns, it can provide a powerful trading signal. Combining pin bars with chart patterns gives you a more complete picture of market dynamics. Volume profile shows where the most trading activity has occurred at different price levels. When a pin bar forms at a high volume area, it suggests strong support or resistance. This combination can help you identify areas where the market is likely to react and plan your trades accordingly. Order flow analysis looks at the actual buying and selling taking place in the market. When a pin bar forms alongside a shift in order flow, it can signal a powerful reversal. Advanced traders use order flow tools to confirm pin bar signal and gain deeper insight into market dynamics. Different market sessions, such as London, New York, or Tokyo, can influence the effectiveness of pin bar signals. Pin bars that form during high liquidity sessions tend to be more reliable. Being aware of session times can help you filter out weak signals and focus on the most promising setup. Trading pin bars successfully requires discipline and emotional control. It's easy to get excited when you spot a perfect pin bar, but sticking to your plan and managing risk is essential. Developing a strong trading mindset will help you stay consistent and avoid costly mistakes. Some traders use automated systems to scan for pin bar patterns and execute trades. While automation can save time and reduce emotion, it's important to test your strategy thoroughly and monitor performance. Combining automation with manual oversight can help you get the best of both worlds. Keeping a trading journal is a valuable habit for any trader. By recording your pin bar trades, including the setup, outcome, and your thought process, you can identify patterns in your performance and make continuous improvements. Journaling helps you stay accountable and learn from both successes and mistakes. Engaging with other traders can help you refine your pin bar strategy. Sharing ideas, discussing setups, and learning from others' experiences can accelerate your growth as a trader. Whether through online forums, trading groups, or mentorship, community support is invaluable on your trading journey. Markets are always evolving, and so should your trading skills. Stay curious and keep learning about new ways to use pin bars and other candlestick patterns. Attend webinars, read books, and practice regularly to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing market conditions. Many successful traders credit the pin bar pattern for some of their best trades. By mastering this simple yet powerful signal, you can join the ranks of those who consistently profit from the markets. Remember, success comes from practice, patience, and a willingness to learn from every trade. Wrap up: the pin bar is the most important candlestick pattern for many traders due to its reliability and clear signals. By understanding its structure, context, and how to combine it with other tools, you can greatly improve your trading results. Keep practicing, stay disciplined, and continue learning. The journey to trading mastery is ongoing, and the pin bar is a powerful tool to have in your arsenal.